melody of different instruments. A new style of an ancient music composition. The sound of the steppe is eternity, and the history will never end. Watch the program Sounds of the Great Steppe on Kazakh TV. Music is an art form which is common for all people. Every nation has their folk music compositions and music instruments as well. There are similar instruments of the Turkic people. The name of the instrument can be different, but Turkic people have also the same instrument as the dombra. A lot of other nationalities are interested in this mysterious dombra instrument. Yerasil participated in an art competition several times which were provided abroad, and he has singular diligence to the heritage of the nation.
Фестивальға бардық. Анкара, Стамбул, Байбурт қалаларынан. Сонда түркі халықтары.
We visited festivals in the cities of Ankara, Istanbul, and Bayburt cities of Turkey. They were festivals of the Turkic people. I participated from my hometown, Turkestan. Turkish people consider themselves close to Turkestan, as they think it is a place where ancestors were born. I was 11 years old when I participated in the festival for the first time. It was a special and unforgettable trip for me as I saw a foreign country for the first time. I played on the dombra and sung a song there. The festival was very interesting, and other talented people also showed their talent. I was surprised that 3,000 people, after hearing the Kazakh cue, applauded. It shows the singularity of Kazakh cue.
Фестиваль өте қызықты өтті. Басқа елдердің де өнерпаздар келіп өз өнерлерін ортаға салды. Бір таң қалғаным, сол залда отырған 3000 адам қазақтың күйін тыңдаған кезде орындарынан тік тұрып шапалақ ұрды. Міне Қазақтың күйінің құдіреті, қасиеті деп айтуға болады осыны.
Yeresil is a professional musician. He mastered the Old Dombra school. When he goes on a music tour, he is asked to play for the second time a Kazakh Q composition. And for foreigners, this Dombra instrument is full of mystery.
Құрманғазының серпілгенін тарттым. Сөзі сол шетелден келген, яғни түркі ағайындар, сол Әзербайжаннан келген өнерпаз болу керек.
I played Serpe Q composition of Kurmangazi. In that moment, Turkic people and musicians from Azerbaijan showed their interest to the Dombra instrument. They came to me and asked me about the Q composition which I played. Also, Kazakh people who live in Turkey came to me as well. They missed full compositions, as they asked me several times to play Q compositions, and I can truly say it was an amazing performance. Constantly, for an artist, it is a great pleasure when his listeners ask to play a composition one more time. An artist is happy when he has listeners.
Өнерпаз адамдар тыңдарманы сұранып тұрған кезде күйде, өнерде төгіле береді, ағыла береді.
This is a Jaldi Kara Q composition of Yesir Ayshuak Uli. Yesir was a singular musician of the West. The West Q compositions are playing fast, what is typical for this region. And the sand nature of the Mangostau region gives energy, power for listeners, and inspires the musician.
Жалтықара күйіне тоқталатын болсақ, Жалтықара күйі бұл жалпы күй атасы Құрманғазыға арналып шығарылған деседі. Белгілі академик Ахмет Жұбановтың айтуы бойынша.
The cue composition Jaldi Kara was written to the great cue player Kurmangazi. And well-known academician Ahmet Zhubanov told about it. Kurmangazi often had been to Mangistau. In that moment, Yazid listened to the composition of Kurmangazi and learned them. Yazid was 20 years younger than Kurmangazi. He was an exemplary person. The cue composition titled Jaldi Kara, as the cue composition was close to Kurmangazi's character. When Yazid heard about the death of Kurmangazi, he played cue compositions with a deep sorrow. This cue composition has a deep meaning which belongs to the Mangistau region. If we will say it in the note language, it is triplets.
Деген қазасын естіп, күңіреніп, толғанып, күй тартқан деседі. Бұл күй жалпы сол Маңғыстаудың иіріміне бай болып келеді. Маңғыстауша шығарылған күй. Ішінде жаңа ота тілімен айтқанда триойлар, ілме қағыстар, сондайлар жиі кездесіп отырады.
We are also able to know about cue compositions from the title, and the cue is as a human character. The enemy attack was produced from the Dombro of the warrior Mahambet. As his other compositions, I am, when I was, here is shown the warrior's brave character, where he went to the enemy with a spear.
Жалпы Махамбеттің күйлерін толық формаға жеткізген белгілі күйші.
A professor and honored Parasat medal holder, Kashiga Akhmediyadov, delivered us full versions of Mahambet cue compositions. He also improved all Mahambet's cue compositions to the large format. The musician who lived before Kurmangazi is known only a main syllable and middle syllable and did not involve all the note facilities. Why was Kurmangazi a great cue composer? He developed and involved all the notes of cue compositions and knew them very well. Subsequently, Kurmangazi was a great composer and musician.
Құрманғазы бабамыз неге күй атасы болып саналды? Ол кіші сағаны дамытып, үлкен сағаны қосқан. Новатор дейміз, күй атасы деп сондықтан айтамыз.